It's a beautiful day today.
Yes, it is. I love this road. The trees are so green.
Me too. I am happy we came here.
Me too. It is good to walk outside. I sit at my desk all day.
Yes, I know. I said a lot too. My back hurts sometimes.
Oh, that is not good. You need to move more.
I know. That is why I like these walks. They help me feel better.
Yes, a walk is good for the body and the mind.
So, how are you, Sarah? How is your life?
It is okay. Some things are good, some things are not so good.
What is good?
My new apartment. I really like it. It is small, but it is nice.
Oh, you moved. I did not know that. Where do you live now?
I live near the park, on Maple Street. Do you know it?
Yes, I know that street. There is a small bakery there, right?
Yes, the one with the blue door. I go there every Saturday morning.
That sounds really nice. What do you buy?
I always buy a coffee and a croissant. It is my favorite thing on the weekend.
I love croissants. That is a good Saturday.
Yes, it is. I sit by the window and I read. It is very peaceful.
You read a lot, right? What are you reading now?
I am reading a book about a woman who travels around the world.
Wow. Where does she go?
She goes to Japan, Brazil, and France. It is very interesting.
I want to travel too, but I never have enough time.
I know that feeling. Work takes all my time.
What is happening at work? Is everything okay?
It is okay. My boss is a little difficult sometimes.
Oh? What does he do?
He changes plans a lot. One day he says one thing, the next day he says a different thing.
That is frustrating.
Yes, it is. I never know what to do. I feel confused sometimes.
I understand. My last boss was like that too.
Really? What did you do?
I talked to him. I said, I need clear information to do my job well.
That is brave. Were you nervous?
Very nervous, but it helped. He listened.
Maybe I can try that, but I'm a little shy at work.
You are shy? I don't think so. You talk a lot with me.
That is different. You are my friend. My boss is not my friend.
That is true, but you are smart. You can do it.
Thank you, Tom. You always say nice things.
I only say true things. So what else is new?
Well, I started a new hobby. I take photos now.
Oh, that is cool. What do you take photos of?
Everything. Food, flowers, buildings, people on the street. I love it.
Do you use your phone or a real camera?
I use my phone. A real camera is too expensive right now.
Phone photos can be very good too. Can I see some?
Yes, look, I took this one last week.
Wow, this is a picture of the river. It is beautiful.
Thank you. The light was perfect that morning. I woke up early just for it.
You woke up early? You always say you hate mornings.
I know, but for a good photo, I can do it.
That is funny. A photo can do what I cannot do, make you wake up early.
Yes, don't be offended.
I'm not offended. I wake up early every day. I am a morning person.
I know you are strange.
Thank you. I take that as a compliment.
You should. Morning people are special. So, how is your life, Tom? Tell me.
My life is busy, but good, I think.
What is new with you?
Well, I'm learning to cook.
Really? You cook?
Yes, me. Why do you look so surprised?
Because I remember your cooking from 3 years ago. You burned pasta.
That was one time.
You burned pasta, Tom. You have to boil pasta. It is water.
Okay. I was not good, but I am better now. I practice every week.
What can you make now?
I can make soup. I can make eggs in many ways. And last week, I made chicken with vegetables.
That sounds good. How was it?
It was really good. I was surprised. I felt very proud.
I am proud of you too. That is a big improvement.
Thank you. I want to cook for you someday. to prove I am better now.
Okay, I will try your food, but I will also bring a sandwich just in case.
You are very funny. Very kind, too.
I am just careful. So, why did you start cooking?
Because eating at restaurants every day is expensive, and I want to eat healthy food.
That is a good reason. I should cook more too.
Do you cook?
A little. I can make simple things rice, salad, pasta.
You know how to boil pasta?
Yes, unlike some people.
Okay, I deserved that.
Yes, you did. Look at these flowers. They are beautiful.
Oh, yes. What are they called?
I don't know the name in English. They are yellow and small.
I think they are called buttercups.
Buttercups. That is a sweet name.
Yes, I like English flower names. Daisy, lily, rose. They are all nice.
I agree. Rose is also a woman's name, and Lily and Daisy.
Yes, in my family, my aunt's name is Violet. That is a flower too.
That is pretty. Do you have a big family?
Medium, I think. My parents, my sister, and 2 aunts, and their children.
How is your sister? I haven't seen her in a long time.
She is good. She is very busy. She has a new job now.
Oh, what does she do?
She is a teacher now. She teaches math at a middle school.
Wow, that is a hard job. Children can be difficult.
Yes, but she loves it. She says the kids are funny.
That is sweet. I think teachers are very important.
Me too. My favorite teacher was Mr. Harris. He taught history.
What did you like about him?
He told stories. History class was like a movie. He made it exciting.
I love teachers like that. My favorite was Mrs. Kim. She taught English.
Of course, you love English.
Yes, she made me love reading. Before her class, I didn't like books.
Really? You love books now. I cannot imagine you without a book.
I know, she changed my life. Good teachers do that.
That is true. So, do you want to travel, like the woman in your book?
Yes, I really want to go to Japan. I think it is beautiful.
What do you want to see there?
Everything. The temples, the food, the trains. I hear the trains are amazing.
Yes, I heard that too. Very fast and always on time.
That is so different from here.
Yes, our buses are never on time.
Never. I waited 40 minutes for a bus last week.
40 minutes? That is a long time.
Yes, it was cold too. I was not happy.
I understand. I take my bike to work now. It is faster.
That is smart. But isn't it cold in the morning?
Yes, but I have good clothes, and it wakes me up. Better than coffee.
I could never do that. I need my coffee first. Then maybe a bike.
Maybe you can start small. Ride on weekends.
That is a good idea. Maybe I will try. Or maybe I will just take photos of people on bikes.
That sounds more like you.
It does, doesn't it? Oh, look at that field. So open and wide.
It is beautiful. I love the countryside. Everything feels slower here.
Yes, in the city, I always feel like I'm in a hurry. Here, I can breathe.
Me too. I feel calm. My mind is quiet.
We should do this more often. Every month, maybe.
Yes, I agree. Let's make it a plan. First Saturday of every month.
Perfect. I will put it in my calendar right now.
Good. If it's in the calendar, it will happen.
Yes, if it's not in the calendar, I forget everything.
Me too. I live by my calendar.
Tom, can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Are you happy, like in general, with your life?
That is a big question.
Sorry, is it too personal?
No, it's okay. I'm thinking. I think, yes, I am mostly happy.
Mostly.
Well, I am happy with my work, my home, my friends, but sometimes I feel a little lonely.
Really? You always look so confident and happy.
I know, but inside sometimes it is different. I live alone. Some evenings are quiet.
I understand that feeling. I live alone too.
Yes. Do you feel lonely sometimes?
Sometimes, not always. I'm an introvert, so I like quiet time. But some evenings I wish I had someone to talk to.
Yes, exactly. Someone to share a meal with or watch a movie.
Yes, small things, but they matter.
They do. I think that is why I like cooking now. It feels like I am doing something, creating something.
That makes sense. Cooking is like art. You make something and you can share it.
Yes. And when someone eats your food and they smile, that is a good feeling.
I bet. You have to cook for me soon. I'm serious now.
I will. Next month. After our walk, we can plan it.
Good. I'm already excited. But I'm still bringing that sandwich.
Of course you are. I would not expect anything less from you.
Smart man. Oh, I see a dog over there. Look.
Oh, he is a big dog. A golden color.
A golden retriever. They are so friendly. I love dogs.
Me too. Do you want a dog?
So much. But my apartment is too small. Maybe one day.
I want a dog too, but I'm too busy right now. It would not be fair to the dog.
That is very thoughtful. A dog needs time and love.
Yes, when my life is a little calmer, I will get one.
Me too. We can have dogs and walk together on this road.
That is a perfect plan. 2 friends, 2 dogs, this road,
And coffee after.
and coffee after. Always.
Tom, I am glad we are friends. This walk is really nice.
Me too, Sarah. I always feel better after we talk.
Same. You're a good listener.
You are too. And you're honest. I like that about you.
Thank you. I try to be honest. Life is short. No time for fake things.
I agree. Life is short. We should enjoy it.
Yes. Enjoy walks, enjoy coffee, enjoy good books and good friends.
And maybe enjoy good food if a certain friend ever learns to cook properly.
Haha, there it is. You kept that inside for a long time.
I was waiting for the right moment.
Very good timing. Okay, I think we are almost back to the road. How long did we walk?
About an hour, I think. Maybe a little more.
It felt short. That is a sign of a good walk.
Yes, good company makes time go fast.
It really does. So, same time next month?
Same time next month, first Saturday.
It's a plan. And you will cook for me the week after.
Deal. I am not nervous at all.
You should be a little nervous.
I am not. I am confident now. I am a cook.
You are a man who once burned water.
I did not burn water. I burnt the pasta.
Same thing.
It is not the same thing.
Okay. You are a cook. I believe in you.
Thank you. That means a lot, actually.
I know. That's why I said it. Come on, let's go get coffee before we go home.
Best idea you've had all day.
I have many good ideas, Tom.
Yes, you do. I know. Let's go.